Hello everybody, I'm Nicholas, and today I'm going to show you how to do some quick vehicle research at your local public library. So to start, go to the webpage of your public library. If you're new to town, I just moved to the town where I'm in, you'll want to get a library card first. So you walk to the library, you show that you're a resident of the area, and you'll get a card. And then look for something on the library site that says databases or research. In this case, it says research, and we're going to choose online databases. And that's going to take us to a bunch of journals, newspapers, magazines. Often cases, these are more scholarly or specialized resources than you might find in another place. Certainly it's going to be more niche and specific items than you'll find on a regular web search. And in this case, I want us to go to consumer reports. For my example, I'm going to be researching new vehicles. I've just moved to town, I sold my car on the other side of the country, and now I need to get to work. So I need a new vehicle. And here, in order to access the information, I'll need to enter in my library card information that I just got. And so I'll sign in and do that. And that will take me to Consumer Reports. And I'm using this because there's a lot of review information on the web, on YouTube. But it's hard to tell the quality of it until you watch a lot of it, until you get a feeling for what's good and what's not. And the nice thing about Consumer Reports is they don't accept advertising. They're only funded by grants and by individual subscriptions like this library pays for. So I don't have to subscribe to it myself. I can just go to the library's website and access it this way. And I'll look for the kind of vehicle that I'm trying to find. I want a small pickup truck, so I'm going to look at the Ford Maverick. And here I can find a review of the very vehicle I'm looking for. And I can do this for free. It's a better quality resource than is available on a regular Google search. It's provided by your tax money through the public library, and it's a great thing. Until next time, have a great afternoon, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.